Hi, my name is Eddie and you're watching Steddieprojects. Today's project is a rear caliper on a Chevy Express van. If you've never done one of these before or just want to see the process and kind of watch along, stay tuned. But that's our project for today, so let's get into it. All right, so the wheel is all wet and we got some problems. That caliper is all soaking wet and it's dripping. So let's take it apart and see what we got. Get this hose out of the way. Let's see if I can pull this thing. There we go. That one is locked in there. Oh, there's a zip tie around. Oh, we're dripping. All right. So I'm still with a lot of fluid here. This thing was riding on the rotor, it looks like, and it shipped a chunk off of here. Wow. All right. Well, that's why it wasn't working so good. Okay, so this is the pad on the front side. Here's the one on the back side. It looks like it came out and got stuck down in there. That's bad. That thing was definitely taking a beating. All right, so this is what we got. open. Alright, so push. No, brake pedal. God. Okay, push. Okay. Up. Yeah, it's pushing some oil out here. It's good. Alright, let it up. Is it up? Okay, push. Is it getting harder? Yeah? Yeah, I think it might have quite a bit of air in it. Okay, push. Okay. Alright, push again. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. Shut it off. Alright, so we're gonna replace the brake line from there and screw it into here so we can get this thing working again. Alright, so I just replaced this brake line and now we're gonna go back to bleeding this again, see if it works this time. Make one more here. Alright. One more. Here we go, folks. Yep, good. Alright, it's coming out solid now. Good. All right, let's give this a try. Back up. That works. All right. Yeah, hold on. Well, it seems like it's working good now. I think we are back in good shape. Cool. Like that, the work van's going again, huh, dog? Woohoo!